Cops release images of escapees amidst manhunt for them. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A manhunt is on the way to recapture 7 inmates who were discovered missing from the Aracabesa police station during a routine cell check on Thursday morning. The cell check was conducted at approximately 6 a.m., the police said in a release. Preliminary reports from the police are that the inmates managed to escape from custody by cutting through a ventilation grill. The escapees who were in custody for serious crimes, including murder, aggravated robbery, are now subjects of an intense manhunt. They have been identified as 24-year-old Trey Walker of Claremont St. Anne, who was charged with rape, 25-year-old Jamali Vernon of Boscobel in St. Mary, who has been charged with robbery, 22-year-old Philip Williams of Belfield St. Mary, who has been charged with shooting with intent, 22-year-old Linton Bailey of Jacks River St. Mary, who has been charged with shooting, 26-year-old LaShawn Davidson of Jacks River St. Mary, who has been charged with shooting, 21-year-old Nelando Atkinson of Pimento Walk in St. Anne and Boscobel in St. Mary, who has been charged with robbery, and 28-year-old Gavin Hurd of Stony Hill in St. Andrew and Enfield in St. Mary, who has been charged with murder. Additionally, the police said that anyone with information that can assist in locating them is being asked to contact the Aracabesa police station at 726-0698, Crime Stop at 311, the JCF tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.